Let's go. So welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you how to get pages, how to get XP and so on. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my thoughts about abstract XP. So for the first 2 weeks I already got 4.2k XP and I'm gonna tell you how I get it. So you go to reward page, here's all your pages, I got 8. So basically I think that we can separate these pages, so it's like basic pages that you can earn and some extra. So let's start and we go through the basic pages. It's the first one is for Twitter. You connect your Twitter, somewhere here will be the button. You just connect your Twitter, bam. This page becomes gold, you click on it, here's the button claim, so you got it. The same thing with the Discord, the button will be here. So next one, fund your account. So I was like showing it into the first video, but quick replay, go to here to the wallet, we put here funds. I recommend to use your bridge. You go to bridge, it turns you to jumper.exchange, and there you like deposit money to your abstract account. Bam, we got this page. Next one, vote, upvoters. Very quick, very fast, very easy. You go to discover here, you see here apps, different apps available on abstract. Here's the button, you click it, upvote, 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 upvote. I'm not really sure how much you need to upvote. Someone says like 1 upvote is okay, someone says 4 or 5, but it's really quick, it's nothing to cost, so just click several and then this page will be yours. And the last of the basics is trader. So you go here to trade, you can see all the tokens that you have, you can see like tokens that you can trade any, it doesn't matter really. So for example I choose Pengu, I want to swap it from Ethereum, I want to like have one Pengu. Okay, now I review the transaction, trade. I was telling you about the protection of your wallet in the first video. It's 2FA verification, we got it. Transaction complete, yes. So to check it we go to the wallet, transaction history. Where's this transaction? Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, swap Ethereum to Pengu plus 1 Pengu, and then you get this page, trader. Okay, so now moving forward, we have a multiplier. Multiplier is the page that you need to get by like touching with the multiplier up. It's now available by the way, and you have like 1 or 2 days left to claim it. We go here to discover, you can show its multiplier here, also you can find it here. Bam, go to website. The first time you need to connect your abstract wallet, then it will be connected forever. But take care, be very simple, be very smart, like watch here, it must be the same as you have for 3DF. Go to my wallet to check it. It's for 3DF, so it's the same wallets. I explained it in the first video. So here's pretty simple. You need to have 0025 Ethereum. You choose here tokens. Just choose only abstract tokens, because there's a lot of tokens from other like chains, from Base, there's Solana tokens. We only need abstract. Choose one that you like. For example, I choose Pengu. Then you track the multiplier. I recommend you to like not put it much inside. I will put like, okay, I don't know, I think I lost here because last time I was winning a lot, and now I think it could play bad with me, but yeah, 1 2 3. So launch, the rocket starts to fly, and bam, I lose my money. So yeah, very sad, very sad. I don't like this app. Like, you see, you can lost your money. I hate it. I hate it really, but we can't stop here. So as you see, my 0.025 Ethereum, it's about $7 is gone now. Great. Love it. Thank you. I got Pengu for 31 cents. Cool. But if you win, you will get like a token with the multiplier. So, and then you can swap it back to your Ethereum. Just need to review trade, but it will be, yeah, it's error here always. So just like do like this, delete a little bit numbers of here, then the swap will go through. Yeah. So for multiplier, be careful with it first of all, and second of all, I don't know if you only need to win a game or lose or just play one game, but I think like play one game is okay, but if you win, it will be good. Next one, Super Duper. It's a game, an abstract. You can find it as well here. Super Duper, yeah, Duper game here. I will go to this, I already opened it. So the first very important thing you need to know, you will not get this page. Today is the 7th of February. You will not get it because it's unavailable to claim now. It was available like on the first week, but maybe they will open the claim again later. So here, when you will connect your abstract wallet, you will play tutorial, play one game. So if the page will be available later, you will be prepared. You already have played some games, so you maybe can claim it later. But now, even if you play 1,000 games, it's unavailable to claim. The last one that I have is socks. So I'm going to Dooley. It's marketplace with the real estate. You can buy like socks, packs with the cards, like t-shirts, hats, and many other things. So these are the socks. There was a sale. There was 500 socks. It sold out in 2 minutes. The price was like $44.44. I was quick and I buy it. Now it's cost 1,500. But you need to know that I already have the badge. If I sell the socks for example, 1,500, the badge will lost. Yeah, be sure that if you want to have extra XP, you need to have your socks. But I don't think that it's a good idea to buy now socks for 1,500. And I also need to say to you that these 7 badges, they give like 25 XP per badge. And this socks badge, it gives a little bit more. Yeah, it gives a bit more, but still not so much really. Okay, the next thing that I need you to know is manage liquidity. You go here to your wallet, manage liquidity. It turns you to a website. It's all in Russian, yeah, because I'm from Russia. Hey, and I put some liquidity inside here. I think that abstract chain is also gives some amount of points for liquidity. I don't have much, so I don't have much extra points for this, but if you have like several $100s and you want to put it in liquidity, you can also like take commissions for this. I already got $1. Yeah, cool. I got $1 in Pengu and in Ethereum. It's like for the 5 or 6 days I count this. Yeah, another way to get extra XP is for streaming. There's a streaming platform here, and you can stream, but you can also tip a streamer. You can watch streams, but I don't think that you will get extra XP for watching. You will get extra XP for sure for streaming. I already got it because I saw on Twitter that guys who streaming, they have extra like 1,000 or 2,000 points rather than like usual accounts. You go here, there will be a form, you need to like fill it, and yeah, my application is still pending. I don't know what to do. I'm always writing in this community, streamer community, like, hey, give me the application, I want to make streams, I want to stream, but still nothing. It's sad. So if you want, you can do it. So streaming gives you extra points. So here's all for the badges and for the XP, and there's little one more thing that I want to show you. I want to show you that I found a nice guide, Fabiano Soul. I also reposted in my Twitter. You see, here's my Twitter. I can put direct link to my Twitter, so here it is. I will leave my nickname in the description. So you see the badges here. I also go you through all these pages. Yeah, and socks and early bird, it's unavailable now, I think, because I was touching, many people were touching their testnet. It gives for the guys who touching and active on testnet, but I mean, no one can like grab it now. There's also some hidden badges with Mr. Beans, with Triador, with Myrat, and with GigaChat. But GigaChat, I think it's now available because it's a role on Discord and you can earn it, but it's very hard. You need to make posts, you need to make content about abstract chain like videos. There's a channel that called share content. You put a lot of links there. You need to chat in general, chatting with the people and so on. And maybe later they will give you a role, but it's a hard way. Don't think that it's too easy. It's really hard. And we have some bonus here. It's for holding Pengu. So you need to hold at least like 88,000 Pengu for this role in multiplayer. And also there's additional XP boost for roles in Discord like GigaChat and so many other roles. See, I have like no Pengu and there's no bonus for me. So that was a quick review and quick my thoughts about how to get badges, how to get XP on Abstract Wallet. So I also recommend you to play at least some games because I think that Abstract haven't like sent XP for playing. So maybe later they will do it because it's really hard to count everything, every app that you use, every game that you play. I think later they will send an XP. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for my Twitter. Also, if you have questions, you can write it down in the comments. You can write it in my Twitter, DM me, or under my post. You can also write the questions in general chat. Someone, maybe me, will answer your questions. And you can DM me on Discord. I will leave my nicknames for all these apps there. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.